Hi, so this lesson, as we continue moving forward on dashboard and reports. So right now is converting a report to a PDF, right? So or for distribution by email. So basically it's quite straightforward. So as we move and go to the corner, on the right corner, you will see this button here. This and from there you could export it to PDF, right? And after you click that button, right? So you're given the choice. It's either going to be portrait or landscape, right? And as you choose that, it's going to be downloaded, right? And this is one way of doing it. And you could basically it will have a default name, as you can see here, as you download it accordingly. And you can also send it via email, as you can see here. So you have that capability, right, to put that email there, right, and be able to send the PDF over email. And after clicking OK, and then it will be sent successfully to your designated recipient. So if you would like it to be sent to multiple recipients, so it will be discussed on scheduled reports. So this is not the way of doing it. If it's only a single receiver, then this email should be fine, or this procedure should be fine. And it is also important that email sending is enabled. So I'll show you that in a bit as an exercise. So always have a read through of the developer tips. So this is very important while you get to learn dashboard and reports. Right. So let's um move forward and show you a demo. Right. So let's go to the instance, and as you navigate to all, let's go to view reports, or you can do like reports under view run, right? So as we scroll down, right? So you will see here, and let's navigate to needs IT, and as the reports load, so let's click all, and let's have request. I think it's request, then request type. So let's type it correctly, needs IT. And now we have it. So let's click. After clicking, then we are directed to basically went to the or go to the arrow button at the top right. And this is this button here as we click it, right? So we could now export to PDF. Right. So after exporting, you will see here we could generate now and click export, right? And we will be asked, right, to download. So yes, we are going to download, and it should go or come down to your downloads folder. Okay, so now as we basically do an export, and we need to send over email, right? So we could put an email here, and before doing that, you have to make sure that the email properties button is enabled. So to be able to do that, you need to go to all button, right? And let's go to email properties, and under system properties, you go to email properties, right? And email sending should be enabled, right? So right now it's disabled on my side. So you have to tick the button, right? Save it, right? And from on here, so what I did is like I created a default email where it's going to go, right? So if you remove this and put an email to that little box that we showed earlier, then it will be redirected. So it's either you put an email here, or if you leave this empty, then the designated email that you have provided will be sent to that particular address. Right now, as you can see, I'm not using a PDI, so my instance is not restricted in sending emails. So at the end of this video, I'll share you a link that provides a step-by-step on how you can send an email using the PDI. So eventually it is now being blocked by ServiceNow, but you can still try if it works. Last time I tested it, it is running successfully. So hopefully that it works and be successful in the PDI. But if you are using a developer instance in your company, then the email sending should work. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.